$1,000 for everyone. I'm super excited to share this opportunity with you. I recently came across this grant offer of $1,000 for everyone. This money will be given out for free every single month. This is something that I've never shared on this channel before, but I feel that there are people here who really need this money or opportunity. Of course, you know that grants are free money and not loans, which means that you will not be paying the money back, neither will you be paying any interest. It is absolutely free. This website that I'm going to share with you right now has just stated that they just want to help. Just imagine getting an email that your offer has been granted. This is the best feeling you will ever have, because I have personally experienced it and I know how it feels to get money for free. When you look at your bank account, you see money that has been sent to you by some organization for you to actualize your dream. So I am giving you the assurance that it is very possible for you to get this offer on this website, because this website is a tested and trusted website that people visit and get money for free. So now, if you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Chidi and I welcome you to Wealthy Mindsets with Chidi. On this channel, all I share is information on how you can make money on the online space. So ensure you like this video and also join the family by subscribing to this channel and then turn your notification bell on to always get updated whenever I post content that can possibly make you money legitimately. Now, this is a recent grant offer that you don't want to miss. This is for everyone, irrespective of where you are. Your religion does not matter here, okay? You can apply as an individual, organization, or group. So this organization helps you to fund your project, your business idea, or even if you do not have any business idea at all, and you know you need money to solve one problem or the other. I want to tell you that this organization or grant offer is not limited to those that have one business project or business ideas. It is for everyone. So whatever it is that you want to use money for, you can get this grant and you will not be held accountable. That is to say that it is open for everyone. Another interesting thing about this website is that you can apply subsequently. Even if you have received previously, you can still apply as often times as possible. No limits. You want to also know that this website or organization does not require any qualification or skill before you can apply. So there are no forms of eligibility criteria for these grants, okay? This is not the kind of grant that you need to fit into before you can apply. So you don't need a registered business or being in a developed country before you can be eligible. Now, the name of the organization or foundation is called Awesome Foundation. Awesome Foundation. They have been in existence since year 2009 and has granted $6,445,000 to people and funded 6,445 projects. This is to say that this foundation is really out to help people actualize their dreams, and they are spread across the globe. So you don't need to be afraid that they might not accept you. So Awesome Foundation is a global community and its aim is to support awesome projects through micro grants. They give out $1,000 every month without any strings attached to projects and their creators. This money can be given to you in form of cash, checks, or gold doubloons, which means that the money will be transferred to your bank account directly. Now, these are numerous projects that has been funded by this foundation. So if you have a crazy, brilliant idea that needs funding, This foundation will give you $1,000 to help you, and it is stated here on the website that the idea is yours alone. They do not want a stake in it, which means that they are not collecting any fee or interest or any kind of charges from you. The money you receive here is totally free for you to turn those dreams into reality. So I encourage you to maximize this opportunity as you get this video so that you can be among those that will get funded this month. They say procrastination is dangerous, right? Now, how do you apply for these grants? I will be pasting the link that will direct you to the form for you to register on this platform. I will be pasting it below the description so that you can access it quickly. You don't need to bother yourself to locate the website. All you just have to do is to click on the link on the description, and it will bring you to this interface that says select chapter to apply. You simply click on the drop down button to select. You fill your name, your email address, and make sure your email address is valid. You fill your phone number and your project title. If your project has a website, you fill it, but if it does not have a website, you leave it blank. And then you go ahead to tell them about the project, what the project is all about. You feel how you will use the money, and you tell them little about yourself and upload images of your projects. So when you're done with doing all of that, you click on the apply button and you're good to go. Now, if you believe that you will get this grant, I want you to head over to the comment section and drop your comments, and then you ask me every of your questions and I'll be there to answer them. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. I'm rooting for you guys. So don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So until my next one, it is bye.